There will be a part 2 to this eventually. It's been a while. It's been like, what, 6, 7 years? Well, you saw it when I first got it. And I promised myself there would be a part 2. In fact, I promised you guys there would be a part 2. Eventually. But unfortunately, that eventually never happened because, well, it just never did. However, after I did film it, I did take it apart, clean it, oiled it, regreased the oscillator, and it was actually quiet. I actually used it for about a few months, and then that corner sort of gotten a little bit cluttered, and it got buried, and as you can tell, it's, yeah. I'm ready for the comments about, you can take care of an old fan, you get rid of them. Fun story, I actually gotten rid of a few. These are ones that are probably never going to be working again, and I just chucked them in a bin, and I'm going to take them to the recycling thing come tomorrow, so whatever. I mean, they're not anything special. I'm just never going to do anything with them. I'm tired of tripping over them. But that's another story. But yeah, you saw this. It is a Knapp Monarch Model 92T or Type 92T. Well, you get the idea. Catalog number 92T. So yeah. And normally I'd plug it up to see if it still works, but I don't feel like having all this dust blowing all over me. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna clean it up and see what we got. Alright, we're rolling. So what I'm gonna take some of this stuff off. Well, if I can, I'm trying to remember how to do this. What I'm talking about. At least have some decency to put a better, well, a cage that can be undone without much issue. Something like that. So you don't have to worry about bending the blades or anything. And before I forget, it says Jack Frost. Yeah, this is what happens when you're not working because, well, due to an economic pandemic, a lot of people are ordering stuff. So, I'm not going to bother taking the blades off because I just don't really have the time. Don't worry, when I get a better house, I'm just actually going to have a dedicated room for my fans, climate control, as well as a dedicated bedroom for my studio, and probably a bedroom just for sleeping. I don't know. But it's all wishful thinking. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to finish dusting this off, as you can tell. You're probably not going to tell because this light's irritating, but yeah. I'll finish this up and we'll go from there. Alright, took a little longer than I should because undoing the cage is a little difficult because it's a little bit bent here and there. So yeah. Now the question is, will this work? Even more important, will it be quiet? Let's find out together right now. Okay, so that's off. Still quiet. Blows a hell of a lot of air, too. But it's noisy because of the countertops, so... Check the downtime now. I might consider replacing that snap switch. Because the same one as the as this one, as that ward citation, whatever the hell you want to call it. Not bad. Alright, that's going to do it for this video of the revisit and the cleaning and the operation for the first time in 6 years. This little Knapp Monarch Model 92T that I got from like the flea bay for like 40 bucks from free shipping. I think I explained that in like the previous video to this, but either way, I'll probably put link that to the bottom so you can see how it was. And I could have at least cleaned it up and oiled it and show you what I did, but I didn't think of it. But we all make mistakes. If you want to call it that a mistake, but whatever. So, till next time, wherever it is, I'm Eskie. Thanks for watching. Comment box is open.